If technology suddenly vanished, it will create a profound and immediate impact on virtually every aspect of modern life. The disappearance of technology would be like rewinding civilization to a much earlier era. And the consequences would range from the immediate loss of communication and basic utilities to long-term challenges in every sector of a society. Here is the breakdown of what might happen if technology suddenly vanished. There may be two types of effect, like immediate effect and long-term effect. So let's talk about the immediate effect at first. Number 1, loss of communication. All forms of electronic communication including phone, radio, the internet and television would cease to function. This will severely hinder global and local communication, reverting society to reliance on face-to-face interaction and written messages. Number 2, transportation breakdown. Vehicles, airplanes, trains and ships relying on modern technology will no longer operate. Transportation will revert to walking, bicycles, horseback or sailboats, vastly limiting the movement of people and goods. Number 3, blackout of power grids. Without technology, electrical grids would fail, plugging the world into darkness. This will affect everything from household lighting to the operation of hospitals and emergency services. Number 3, healthcare crisis. Modern healthcare relies heavily on technology. Without it, everything from diagnostic equipment to life support machines would stop working. This would drastically reduce the ability to treat illness and injuries effectively. Number 5, disruption of water supply. Most modern water supply and treatment systems, which rely on electrical pumps and filtration system, would stop functioning, leading to a lack of clean drinking water and sanitation facilities. Now let's talk about another possibility in long-term impacts. Number 1, economic collapse. The global economy would face an unpredicted crisis. Stock markets would crash and the most form of currency and banking would collapse, possibly reverting to barter system and rudimentary form of trade and currency. Number 2, food shortage. Modern agriculture relies heavily on technology for planting, harvesting, processing and distribution. A return to pre-industrial farming methods would not be able to sustain the current global population, leading to widespread famine. Number 3, social disorder. The sudden loss of modern convenience coupled with food shortage, lack of healthcare and economic collapse could lead to mass migration and potentially conflicts as communities and nations struggle over dwindling resources. Number 4, cultural shifts. Societies will need rapidly adopt the loss of technology. This could lead to a resurgence of old skills, crafts and practices that do not rely on modern technology. Number 5, environmental changes. Although some environmental impacts might improve due to the reduced pollution and industrial activities, others might worsen due to the less efficient and more labor-intensive farming and production techniques, and lack of technology for monitoring environmental damage. Now these were the possible consequences of this topic, but now let's talk about how we can be safe from this if this really happens. Coping and adaptation. Human resilience and adaptability would be tested to the extreme. Societies will need to rebuild knowledge and skills that have been largely abandoned in the technological age, such as farming, craftsmanship, and local governance based on direct and personal communication. This scenario underscores just how dependent modern civilization has become on technology. While it's a hypothetical scenario, it highlights the importance of sustainability and resilience planning to prepare for possible destruction in the technological infrastructures, whether due to natural disasters, cyber attacks, or other unforeseen events. Thank you for watching till here, guys, and this is the third video of this channel, and we need to build our community strong. So subscribe to this channel and share this video with your family, friends, and with everybody you can share this video, because this video will add a value to their life. And namaskaram.